Hi, I'm Mike from Ottawa, and I thought I'd take the opportunity of providing a little feedback on a product now available at Canadian Tire, the Mastercraft aluminum LED flashlight. I've had a couple of weeks to try this, and right up front I have to say I'm quite impressed with it. A couple of caveats that I'll reference at the end of this, but for the most part, 2 thumbs up. For some general features, I can tell you that it has a 500 lumen output, it has 2 light settings with multiple flash settings therein, and has a polycarbonate lens which is both scratch and shadow resistant. The actual beam has a depth projection of up to 261 meters. It can be dropped from 1 meter in height. We'll see if that works. And it has a runtime of over 5 hours with the included 3 C-size batteries. It's waterproof, and yeah, let's see what it's like. I'm going to take it out of the package and get back to you. Hi, I'm back again, and now I have the actual LED flashlight taken out of its casing and the batteries installed. The first impression you're going to get from this is it's fairly substantial. This is very solid, even though it's aluminum, aircraft alloy grade aluminum. It is fairly solid. Of course, there's 3 C-size batteries in it that give some weight to it, but you're going to feel this has some substance to it, something that's going to be fairly rugged and last over time. Being aluminum, obviously, you're not going to be worried about rust to that degree. It comes with a lanyard strap, which I'd recommend you use. It helps in the holding of the unit, depending on which side you're going to use. It has a knurled grip on it, which is nice. Could it be rubber? Possibly, but as it stands, it's quite sufficient. The actual lens can be focused with a slide telescopic pull and push back in. Very easy to use, and it's very, very tight, very nicely made. The beam will actually focus out to its length in a small zone or give you a broad range, depending where the lens is actually pulled out to. The actual switch to activate it is at the back. Now, if I could add one thing, it would be nice to have the switch where it's accessible when a person is using it. But other than that's a fairly minor. Once you have the light turned on, actually you're not going to be using it that much. It is a repetitive switch setting, so that if I push it again, I'm going to get the next setting, which is a low beam. I'm not going to shine right in your face. The next one is a very high intensity flash. If this were actually shining in the eyes of someone, it would actually disable them for a very quick moment. And then lastly, it has what would be best described as an SOS flash setting on it. Now, I've taken this outside, and I will give you some video based on what I had from an outside use perspective. This light is great for outside at night. Mastercraft aluminum LED flashlight is good for finding woodland creatures. It's a raccoon. Okay, guys, come on back in, guys.